Hello guys, I want to sleep. This my for my mommy. Very long up. It's a happy Father's Day. It's a burn up. You see your heart. You'll burn any up. Wait, this is my friend. This is my papa. My papa is video at ina I'm video. Salita.
Hi, this is my daughter. Her name is Heaven. She is very beautiful and so lovely. Bye-bye.
You like today? My daddy's heartbeat. I love my mama. See my mom, look. Mama! Ma!
Ala ka! Sino mo nagbibidyo?
Go. Go.
Ala, nagbablog na siya.
I want to play. Ito. Oh.
Kung upakita yan, lakas, sige ka. Bakit ang lasada yan? Kung upakita, magbubad-bad ka pa dyan sa camera.
How you want today? I'd like it. Oh my god. 0, 1, 4, 1, 5, 3. Balloon! Balloon! Say I'm your story is a... story ball tayo. Story. Story. The story.
Ano story na?
Dito.
Toothbrush ka muna doon. Toothbrush mo
Dito.
doon.
Is story file.
This is my daughter. And her name is Heaven. She...
Story.
Once upon a time, merong isang bata. Noong unang panahon, lagi siyang sleep. Tapos pag nag-sleep siya, sabihin niya, wak lang! Walang milk daw. Walang milk. At ngayon, napakalaki niya na. Tingnan niyo po siya. Ate na siya. Tingnan niya, oh. Diba?
Kanina, karaan ng bata pa ako, napapagalitan ako ni Teacher Arby. Kahit na ako, napapagalitan.
Bakit ka pinapagalitan?
Kasi, tapos pumunta kami ni Mama Monique. Pag tignan ni teacher, malaki na ako. Subscribe ng channel, subscribe. Bye-bye. Be sure po. Good.